Why are whales so large? Well, to answer that question, first we'll have to see what all advantages an animal has if it is large. Basically, if let me give a comparison here. There's a bit of math here, so let me do it on the screen. If a cube of length 20 centimeter is there, it will have a surface area of 2400 and a volume of 8000. Okay, let's just increase that edge length by 1 centimeter, so that it's 21 centimeter, and the surface area is increased to 2646, and the volume gets increased to 9261. We can see that by increasing the edge length by just 1 centimeter, the surface area and the volume both grow, but the surface area grows by only 246, whereas the volume by 1261. So clearly we can see that for any given shape, this relation holds good not only for cube. I considered a cube because it's easy to calculate, and uh, but the relation holds good for all sorts of shapes. So even it holds good for the body shape of a whale. So clearly, as the body size grows, the volume grows faster than the amount of surface area, that is the skin area available to dissipate the heat. Now, the body generates a lot of heat, and since whales are mammals, they need to maintain their body warmth in order to run the bioprocesses correctly. If it goes colder than the minimum temperature, then the bioprocesses won't work correctly, and that's not good. So, in order to maintain that warmth, they will have to constantly eat a lot of food, and thus they would have to increase their food intake. But yeah, see, in oceans the food is scarce, so in order to avoid that, they have adapted to that by increasing their size itself. As they increase their size, their body size increases, and since the amount of surface area, that is the amount of skin available to dissipate that heat generated by the body, reduces comparatively, lot of heat gets trapped inside the body itself. A fun fact here, oceans at their surface just look like they have been shown in the films, but actually in the depth it's very dark and it's not bright because the sunlight cannot enter that deep, and yeah, it's very cold, so they have adapted to that environment. Well, then you might ask, what happened to dinosaurs? Because dinosaurs were also large, but they died. Well, actually, dinosaurs had a very big advantage compared to their the other animals that were living during that era. Dinosaurs actually had the advantage, and they would survive till today. But what happened was a meteor hit at that time, in that era, and that actually caused the extinction event. So it was not it was not the dinosaur fault. They were actually well adapted to their environment, but the external thing, that is the meteor, hit them, and that caused the extinction, and smaller animals survived. If you know, the smallest animal alive today is the Etruscan shrew, and it is the smallest animal. That means it has the smallest volume of body size in comparison to the skin available to it, the size of the skin. That's why it dissipates a lot of heat, and thus it also needs to eat a lot of food, and has a heavy food intake. It actually eats 25 times per day in order to maintain that body warmth, because the heat is not trapped anywhere, it just gets released very quickly because it has a very small body. So you can see that smaller animals have a lot of have to eat a lot of things in order to keep themselves their body in the right temperature. So yeah, in the ocean, as I already told you, the food is scarce and the whales can't do that. So that's why instead of increasing food intake, they increase their body size. That's also equivalent, as I told you, it can trap heat. Fun fact here, whales don't have teeth like us. They have something called baleen inside their mouth. It's like a hairy thing, and it traps a lot of food in that. When they eat food, it gets trapped in between that hair, so that they can eat it quickly, eat it efficiently instead of just chewing it up like us. And this volume to surface area relation is also the reason why the other aquatic mammals like seals, sharks and hippopotamus are also quite large in size. They all have the same problem, that is the food is not enough for them there. The food is scarce in the ocean and it's difficult to get, but they need to maintain their body warmth, and yeah, instead of generating new heat, they just adapted to that and increase their body size. That's the main reason, basic reason that all the aquatic mammals almost are big comparatively, especially the blue whale.